in a t-shirt, this is sketchy. Oh my god guys, I've got an update. What's he doing? Oh, go on Benny boy! These are the roads. We're meeting the boys at the strip. It's been a while. What are you doing hiding behind the bike? Huh? Oh, let me set my bike up then. Give it a go. You actually think you would go down that and come up the other end?
We've done a lot worse. I think it's too steep though. I think.
Just hop on that like that.
Hold me. I've got the bike. Hold me. Right, get it going. You'll be alright, I reckon. Went straight through the fucking mattress.
Is it not a mattress?
Yeah, no, it's like a shit metal. Yeah,
Mate, Tuesday.
that's gonna sound so sick. That's cool, man. It's literally like a fucking massive dirt bike. It's very hard to win.
Yeah, it's tough.
That is
I'm saying
very
it's
tough.
hard.
No, I'm excited. I'm well excited.
Oi, oi! Alright guys, we're out with the dirt bike boys. We're out of the Brett Life boys right now. Flipping hell! His wheel's gonna fall off, innit? Oh my god! He tried tightening his spokes and just done it completely wrong. So now he needs to buy a new tyre or a new wheel. I think the spokes are anyway. Look at that control. Huh? I seen it, yeah, it's all over the place. Oh, I might get a drink. He didn't hear. Oh, this would be amazing if I had like some 60-40 tires or 50-50s. Fucking hell. Here we go, boys. This is crazy. Oh, I'm in a t-shirt. This is sketchy. I didn't realise we was going on a path like this right now. I thought we was just popping to a spot that's a little bit off-road. Why is there such a massive bike following these dirt bikes? Oh shit. These lot are in their element right now. I'm way out of mine. What's he doing? Go on, Benny boy! I need to be able to do that on that.
Easy.
Yeah.
It feels like you're just going up a bumpy hill, like there's no effort to it at all.
Really not trying to pull any brakes. Whoa. Ben started popping wheelies on this. Oh my god, that was a... These are big bumps now. Flipping, oh look at that. It's funny that this bike could literally just absolutely fly down here. And then you got me on it. Doing simple shit like this though makes you realise what these guys, like these professionals on these bikes, make these bikes do. It's so crazy. What's he doing? Riding off that? Fucking hell! You doing? You gonna let it go? Yeah. Oh, that was alright. See what's going on with this off-road mode. Oh my god, guys! I've got an update. That was the whole point of me filming today, so I can update you lot. I bought the exhaust. Tuesday, the exhaust arrived. I was actually waiting for the exhaust to... Oh, this is not good for my wheels. I was actually waiting for the exhaust to come through before I filmed the next video for you lot. But it's been... I can't remember the last time I rode with these guys. Properly anyway. Oh, it does have... It still has ABS. Even in off-road mode, the ABS kicks in. I might have to squeeze by this way. My bike's too big to go the other way, thank you. I don't know why my bike feels so low now. I hope I ain't got a flat tyre. I don't know if it's gonna be stood up the whole time. So I don't understand what the point of this off-road mode is if it doesn't disable the electrics. What's the point in that? It has off-road ABS, but it still has ABS. What? I don't understand what that is. How can there still be ABS on off-road ABS? Going that way. Cool. Air spud.